Welcome to our detailed comparison of Wix and Canva for website building. These two platforms are popular choices for both professionals and beginners looking to design and launch a website. We'll be examining key aspects such as features, pricing, user experience, and more. Let's begin. Wix offers a wide range of features, including a drag and drop website builder, free hosting, and a large selection of templates. It also has an app market for extra functionality. On the other hand, Canva focuses on graphic design with a vast library of templates, images, and fonts. It also offers drag and drop functionality, but lacks in web hosting and app integration. Both platforms offer free versions with limited capabilities. Wix has a variety of paid plans ranging from $14 to $49 per month, offering more storage, removal of Wix ads, and e-commerce capabilities. Canva's paid version, Canva Pro, is priced at $12.99 per month, offering premium assets, priority support, and team functionalities. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for beginners to build a website. Canva, while also user-friendly, is primarily a design tool, meaning it may take some extra steps to create a complete website. However, for graphic design, Canva's user experience is top-notch. Wix has a robust app market, allowing for integration with a variety of third-party apps. Canva, while not as extensive, does allow for integration with some apps such as Pexels, Giphy, and Google Maps. Both platforms support social media integration. Wix websites are known for their fast loading speeds, a crucial factor for SEO. Canva, however, doesn't host websites, so performance will depend on where you host your Canva designs. It does provide high-resolution exports for optimal display quality. Wix provides free SSL certificates for all websites, ensuring data encryption. Canva also prioritizes security, offering two-factor authentication and data encryption. Both platforms have a good reputation for data safety. The winner in this comparison is Wix. It offers a comprehensive website building solution, including hosting, a wide range of features, and robust app integration. While Canva is excellent for graphic design, it falls short as a complete website builder. Wix's pricing plans also offer better value for the features provided. That concludes our comparison of Wix and Canva for website building. We hope this has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching.